indexes, temporary tables, clone tables, database info. Hello friends, we have learned about regular expressions, importance of transaction, and how to use alter command. In this lesson, we are going to learn about indexes, use of temporary table, clone table, and get information about database info. Let us begin with indexes. Indexes. Database optimization is of primary importance in any database system. Data in the table is stored in unsorted form. Hence, searching for records matching certain criteria is time-consuming. Database index makes queries run faster. Let us understand index with our customer table. Let us first look into the data in customer table by select statement. MySQL select asterisk from customer terminator. Now let us select customers from Mumbai. MySQL select customer name, comma, customer city from customer where customer city is equal to inverted comma Mumbai inverted comma closed terminator. We have found 3 customers having customer city as Mumbai. How does MySQL execute this query? It will check for customer city of each and every row, check whether its value matches with where condition, that is Mumbai. If the match is found, that row will be selected in result set. So in case of table containing large number of data, this kind of search will be time consuming. Database index is a data structure that improves speed of operation. Indexes can be created on one or more columns. Indexes are type of table which contain index field and a pointer to each record to main table. These tables are used by database search engine to improve performance. Performance of select table command with index is considerably fast, whereas create and update statements take more time. General create index statement is create index ID underscore index on table score name bracket open column underscore name bracket closed terminator. Let us create index on customer table on customer city column. MySQL create index customer city underscore index on customer bracket open customer city bracket closed terminator. MySQL show indexes from customer terminator. There are 2 indexes on customer table. When we created customer table with ID as primary key, MySQL automatically creates a special index named primary. This index is called the clustered index. The primary index is special because the index itself is stored together with the data in the same table. The clustered index enforces the order of rows in the table. The other index, customer city underscore index, which we created, is a secondary index. If you want to drop the index, then the general syntax is drop index ID underscore index on table underscore name terminator. We will delete index we just created on customer table. MySQL drop index customer city underscore index on customer terminator. MySQL show indexes from customer terminator. Temporary tables. MySQL uses temporary tables to store temporary data. These tables get deleted when session or connection terminates. Temporary table is available to the client who creates it. The use of temporary table is to create a replica of original table work on it and need not explicitly drop that table. For creating a temporary table, you need to add keyword temporary to create table syntax. MySQL create temporary table customer Mumbai, select customer ID, comma, customer name, comma, customer phone, comma, customer email from customer, where customer city is equal to inverted comma Mumbai inverted comma closed, order by customer name, terminator. MySQL select asterisk from customer Mumbai, terminator. MySQL show tables, terminator. Temporary table customer Mumbai contains 3 records as there are only 3 customers having Mumbai as customer city. Note that show tables does not show your temporary table. Even though temporary tables get dropped out automatically at the end of the session, we can explicitly drop this table using drop table command. MySQL drop table customer Mumbai, terminator. MySQL select asterisk from customer Mumbai, terminator. When you try to check with select command, since table is not there, it will give you error. Clone table. Sometimes you need table which is identical to already existing table in the database and you want other details like indexes, default values, etc. to be included in this new table. Create statement followed by select statement will copy data from selected table to newly created table. MySQL create table customer underscore clone, select asterisk from customer, terminator. MySQL describe customer underscore clone, terminator. Create table command creates the new table customer underscore clone. The structure of this table will be based on data fetched by select command. The data gets populated in new table. If you see the structure of customer table, it contains customer ID as primary key and customer name as index, which is not set for new clone table. To copy other objects associated with table, we will have to execute 2 statements. MySQL create table customer underscore clone like customer, terminator. MySQL insert into customer core clone, select asterisk from customer, terminator. MySQL describe customer underscore clone, terminator. Create statement creates replica of customer table. Insert statement inserts data from customer table to customer underscore clone table. Database info. The most important information which we always need from MySQL may be information about tables and databases like its structure, which we can get by show tables, show databases, describe table commands. Information about MySQL server like its version number, status, etc. This information is stored in information underscore scheme. MySQL creates additional database known as information underscore scheme. In this database, the information about all the databases is kept. It contains information like name of database, name of tables, column names, and much more. It is a virtual database which provides information about database system. This table gets automatically populated. This table is only for view purpose and you cannot modify or drop this table. MySQL select version, bracket open, bracket closed, terminator. MySQL select database, bracket open, bracket closed, terminator. MySQL select user, bracket open, bracket closed, terminator. Here are few important commands which gives us information about database server. Select version, bracket open, bracket closed. Function displays version of server. Select database, bracket open, bracket closed. Function displays current selected database. If database is not selected, then it shows null. Select user, bracket open, bracket closed. Function returns current user name. There are other two commands, show status, which shows current server, and show variables shows server configuration tables. That's all, friends. In the next lesson, we will learn how sequences, how can we handle duplicates, SQL injection.